Hey guys, it's Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about the latest addition to my emergency bag. This is the Leaton emergency radio. What I like the most about it is that you can charge it even if you don't have electricity. So in case of an emergency, as you can see, it has a solar panel on top, so it charges with the sun. As you can see right now, I'm outside and it's already charging it. And also it has a crank on the side, so you can just put your arm to good use and you will charge your radio. It has some lights over here that tells you how much battery you have left in your radio, so you can charge it when you're running low. The radio is pretty small. As you can see, I'm holding it with one hand. You can tell that it's very strong, that it's made out of very good materials. The strap on top, it's also very strong, very sturdy, so it's very important when you're camping or in case of an emergency, you know that that will not snap or break. It has a very strong flashlight, and that is perfect in case you lose electricity. It has 3 different settings of brightness depending on what you need. So I think this is such a great addition to your emergency backpack. You're going to need this in case of an emergency, and that is my point of view.